The end of argument, they said, is proof. So proof is the graveyard for argument. This strategy is proven, profitable, and it is tradable. And I'll run you through again how you can take advantage of this proven, tradable, profitable strategy to turn around your financial journey. It is important to note that no strategy is 100% accurate. Remember that. But there are strategies that give you an edge over the market. What that means is the numbers of your profit supersede the numbers of your loss. For you to rate a strategy, take at least a minimum of 10 trades on that strategy. And out of that 10 trades, if 4 should play in your favor and you lost 6, with good risk to reward management, you will still be in profit. So this is how it works. Backtest this on a 10 trade, following every instruction strictly, and you will see how profitable you will become as a trader. First of all, we'll begin our analysis by determining the structure of the market. And when I'm talking of structure, I am talking about trend. 2 ways you can do this, or 3 ways. You can use your trend line to do this analysis, or your structural point, as the case may be. And at the same time, you can use the indicator. It depends on what suits you, what is easy for you to comprehend. So in this case, let's begin with using our Bollinger Band. And in using our Bollinger Band, the Bollinger Band has a lower line, a middle line, and an upper line. So we established that when price is above the middle Bollinger Band, we are in an uptrend. But for instance, in this scenario, you can see that price is below the middle Bollinger Band. And here, price crosses the middle Bollinger Band. So that price cross the middle Bollinger Band alone is not enough for you to make an entry. You need a validation that this trend has come to stay. And what is your validation? Price will go above it, come back to it, and retest it. Now, this is what validates that truly there is a change in this market direction. And if you look at it, you will realize that this price break out of this Bollinger Band, came back, and then retest it. And in that retest, you can see a candlestick pattern, which is a pin bar candlestick pattern. And then you can see that your commodity channel index is at this zone, crossing to the upside. So this becomes your valid entry. You sell there and your stop loss is here. So what just happened is a combination of a price action. What is your price action in this scenario? Your price action is the candlestick formation, which is a pin bar candlestick formation. So that is your entry and the price hold, and you are in this trade. So provided you have not reached the upper Bollinger Band, there is still more room for you to have your buy entry. And here again, you have another opportunity to have a buy entry. Here is another pin bar. But the only reason you won't be taking entry on this pin bar is because why you won't take this pin bar entry, when you pay attention to your commodity channel index, is already at the level of 80 and 90, which signifies there is no room for the price to push to the upside that much. So you will need to wait for a retracement to the downside in order for you to continue your buy. And this retracement is what we have here. And you can see how price pull back to this downside. And when price pull back to this downside, price is now validating again by retesting our middle Bollinger Band. And you can see price retesting this middle Bollinger Band. And then what do you see? This is an evening star formation. So at the close of this evening star formation, you can see your commodity channel index cross above 20, you will make your entry. And if you fail to make this entry, price came back again. Here, this is an engulfing candlestick pattern. But in this scenario, before you make this engulfing candlestick pattern, which is this one, before you will make this entry, you will need a confirmation. You will wait for your commodity channel index line to cross above 50. And once that is validated, there goes your entry. This is how you can use this to take your entry. This is the Bollinger Band setup. Take a screenshot of this, the moving average setup. Screenshot this and do the setting on your own. This is proven, this is tradable, this is working. All you need to do is for you to go ahead to your chart and implement this strategy. Now for this particular trade, this is a trade I took not too long. And how do I come into this zone? I missed this entry earlier. This is a typical price action, trading support and resistance. So here is a support zone. And what happened here is that at the time price left this zone, and knowing that our Bollinger Band are dynamic support and resistance zone, so price came here, we have these two pin bars. So I've made this trade and price came back the second time to retest this zone. And afterward, I have this play out. I saw this bullish movement and I decide to join. And here I am in this trade. And to me, this is my W chart pattern. And if you've watched our previous video before, I've defined that one of the way to trade a reversal is for you to get a W chart pattern. So to me, this is a W chart pattern that I would have taken. Can you see it on my 15-minute time frame? This is how beautiful it plays out on my 15-minute time frame. Okay, here is a divergence. I would have gotten into that trade earlier if I were here, but all the same, I am in the trade now, and this is how I am taking my reversal trade. I will always get a W chart pattern for my reversal entry. So this is tradable, this is workable. You can do this. All you need to do is you put your mind to it. And you are following the trend. You don't want to take reversal. All you want to take is a continuation trade. You can see how it works. This is a bearish flag pattern. You get a candlestick formation that closes below your moving average, bearish engulfing, you make your entry to the downside. And you can see that price pull back again towards my middle Bollinger Band. You can see that pull back towards the middle Bollinger Band. Bearish pin bar. And you are in that sell. If that is how you want to trade it, you can see this. Price is here. Look at my commodity channel index. So there is no retest to change the direction of the price. So this is how it works, and I hope you have learned something new. Do well to backtest, and my trading course, Forex trading course, will be commencing in a week from now. Saturday next week on the 21st of December 2024, and it will cost you just only $10 to be part of this training course, where you have access to one-on-one training. Details and link on how to go about it will be in this video description. Click on the link and we'll get to talk. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, and do not forget to give the video a like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified. Thank you, and see you in the subsequent video.